The Totolink EX300 is a Wi-Fi range extender. It will increase the range of your existing Wi-Fi network coverage. With 3 LED indicators, 1 WPS button, 1 power button, and a detachable plug, the EX300 can help to minimize hard-to-reach areas. Section 1. How to change different plug options. First, use one hand to press the button and the other hand to turn the plug counterclockwise. Then install another plug by clockwise rotation. Section 2. WPS for one-key secured connection. First, plug the EX300 into a power outlet. Press the power button. Check the LED indicators until the Wi-Fi indicator remains lit. This means the device is ready. Now press the router's WPS button and then press the EX300's WPS button for 2 seconds. You can see the extending indicator is blinking fast. A steady light indicates a successful connection. Now you can take it anywhere in your house. Just plug the EX300 into a wall outlet and press the power button. You can see the Wi-Fi and extending indicators are on. Enjoy your extended Wi-Fi. In case you change your router's SSID or password, you will need to reset the EX300. Press the WPS button until the extending indicator starts blinking fast. The EX300 will reset to factory default.